Hey guys, this is Alex from 4C Trading, and today we are going to be tackling Matic yet again. So you might remember we did Matic a couple of times. We actually did Matic 2 times. One time we won it, one time we got stopped out. And the last time when we took it, the trade was really legit. It was really nice looking. I mean, it's usually one of those trades that play out really well because we did broke through many old resistances on the chart, and then we just based off a trade of those. But unluckily speaking, when we kind of called out that trade, the Bitcoin kind of went on, retrace, as we've seen in the previous videos, like 2 videos, 3 videos back that we did. You could see that Bitcoin went all the way down to test like the bottomest area, right? Which was really scary for the alts. They really started being a little bit shaky, and a lot of the funds kind of went out of the crypto because of that, right? I mean, the first early whales were starting to panic already, right? And thus, we got a little bit of a more correction on alts than we expected in that manner, right? Yes, and that is, of course, that is always a curse of crypto, right? Because if you're trading crypto, you also always have to kind of take a point at BTC, right? Because if BTC does anything unusual during the time you're in trade, you're most likely gonna get stopped, right? I mean, sometimes if it pumps, you can get more money out of it, but most of the times you're gonna get stopped out, right? So the trade we took last time, right, was August. It was the second trade on Matic. So the first one we won here, yeah, that was the first trade that we won, and the second trade we got stopped on 2.258, so that it got stopped around here. Now, I mean, I've been waiting for this trade to see what's gonna happen, Matic, and it was really slow, right? Didn't move by much at all. But now we have done something, Matic, this day, and the daily still hasn't closed yet. I'm still waiting for a daily close, but retroactively speaking, I would have to wait for at least 2 daily closes for me to confirm this. But I'm thinking, like, if I'm gonna wait for that long, I'm not gonna get it into the trade, right? And that's gonna be kind of harmful because I do really think this is a good trade, and I do really want to participate in it, right? In this case around, yes, the buy area would be located here because we went above again against above the resistances that we previously broken already and closed back under it, and now we're back above them, and now we're kind of doing this reversal pattern, hopefully. And yes, I don't have a super good confirmation just yet, but I'll go aggressively on this trade because I do want to improve the hit ratio, right? So far I'm 50-50, but let's just see if I can do a 60% win ratio, right? Not that I'm trying to take a revenge on a coin and that I couldn't handle a loss. No, I'm just generally trying to play out the well set a trade that was the first time around. And these trades, like I said, usually play out 70 to 80% of times, but that time around we got screwed a little bit by Bitcoin, right? But this time around, hopefully Bitcoin is going up again. It reacted well on our green area that we've stated before, and now hopefully it's on its a good way to make us proud, right? I mean, we do want that Bitcoin breaking out to 14K, and that will propel our Matic trade a lot as well, right? When it comes to stop losses, I would be putting my stop loss here as standard. It's about 5% stop loss. 5%, 5.5% stop loss, right? It's a lot tighter than it was the last time because the structure is also different. The structure is a lot tighter, the range was getting tight and then it finally popped off on the top. So now there's no need for us to place any lower stop loss than this. Of course, yes, we can get stopped if Bitcoin does anything unusual again, but this time around I'm betting that hopefully it's gonna be a smooth sail from all the way, right? So the first profit target in this trade, I'm gonna be aiming quite high. It's gonna be about 3R or 18% move on the coin. For the reason for this is because this trade is either gonna work out and gonna create a new top or double top in the same sense, right? Or it's gonna wreck us, right? I don't see this trade reacting from here and then just going to up here and rejecting down and going down lower, right? I don't see that, right? Due to the fact of how strong that area is in the past. So yes, if we're gonna get a reaction from this area, then I do think this area is gonna take us all the way up here, and that's in this case, that's why I'm gonna take a higher profit target because I only see that fit, right? The second profit target is then gonna be located all the way up here, about 40% raise on the entire coin or 7.2R, right? Really good profit target on this. And the third profit target is going to be located all the way up here, which is basically the top of the chart, the all-knowing chart that we know. Basically, there's nothing above it anymore. And it's about 70% or 12R. Let's just say we can round it up to 13R, which is pretty good, right? Pretty good profit target. If this happens, yes, we will have two more possibility of trades. If the first breakout happens here, right, there will be trade available somewhere here. If there's gonna be a rejection, there will definitely be available trade here, because this is a good point as well for you to take that bullish continuation. I do hope that bullish continuation is going to happen, right? I do hope that's going to happen. And if it goes above here, all the way up here, then yes, there will be another opportunity somewhere located inside this structure that would be quite bullish for us as well. Maybe a little bit lower in this term. We'll see how the structure will look like. Hopefully the stop won't be too fat as well. We don't know how the structures are going to be soundproof for now, right? But yes, I do hope it's gonna be under 10%, because you know, when you're capturing continuation, I don't really want a fat stop, right? Because I just want to take fast profit targets, because we don't know if it's actually gonna continue it, right? So the first profit target is quite fast usually, so at least for the first profit target I want it to be like 1.5R or 2R. Excuse me for hitting the mic. You know, and then just continuing upwards so we can get some more profit, right? Because you know, you don't have a crystal ball, so we don't know if it's going to continue. But enough about that, because first we got to see the first thing happen, so then we can go and continue with the second and third trade, right? Let's just see the first one happen, the first profit target, the first village and the first profit target hit, and then we'll focus on everybody else, right? Okay, so thank you for watching this video, guys. Please do hit that bell button to get notification when the new video is being made. Please do join us at 4C community channels, right, on Telegram. We do discuss trades, stop losses, all kinds of questions about trading, right? We also got you know, there's also live stream tomorrow that we're doing, right? I mean today actually, because this video is going to be uploaded tomorrow, right? So yes, we're doing a live stream today at about 3 a.m. UTC, right? So yeah, please join us there as well. And yeah, I guess we will be seeing each other on the new video.